You've been working hard. You are disciplined. Every month, once your salary alert hits in, you move a certain percentage of it into your savings account or into that safe app on your phone, feeling all good, right? But let me ask you a question that might sting a little. Is that money actually growing or is it just sleeping there? Hello, dear friends. I am Tony Rex, and I remain your most reliable financial coach. Subscribe, like, and share videos from this channel so you don't miss out on these life-changing financial topics. Let's dive in. By the end of this session, you should be able to explain how investing works, describe the concept of compounding, make a simple investment decision, manage risk the right way. Saving is great, but you need to understand that it's only the foundation for wealth building. So if you want to move from just being comfortable to building real wealth, you need to understand the game of investing. So, what is investment? An investment is the commitment of capital, such as money, time, or resources, to purchase assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation of generating income, capital appreciation, or higher returns in the future. Investing is simply putting your capital to work in an asset that has the potential to generate a return over time. Think of it like this. If saving is keeping a seed in a jar, investing is planting that seed in fertile soil. The next question is, where can you invest? There are different assets you can invest in, such as paper assets, like stocks, bonds, and index funds. An example is owning a share of a company like MTN or Dangote Cement. You can also invest in real estate by buying a piece of land in Lagos Island or any other location of your choice. Productive assets is another asset you can invest in. It is like starting a business or even investing in yourself by learning an in-demand skill like AI automation or project management. The investment goal is simple. Put money in today, get more money tomorrow. But here's something very important you need to know. Investing is not just about making money. It's about time and about being patient. That is where the term compounding comes in. Compounding in investment is the process of generating earnings on both your original principal, that is your capital, and the accumulated interest or returns from previous periods. It is often called interest on interest. That is why the wealthy are so obsessed with it. That cheat code called compounding is what differentiates savings from investment or average from wealthy. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. In simple terms, your money makes a profit, and then that profit starts making its own profit. It's profit on top of profit. Look at this practical real example. Using the formula for calculating the compound interest. The formula for calculating it is A, which is the cumulative amount, equal to P, which is the principal, that is the original amount invested, multiplied by 1, which represents the 100% of the principal, plus R, which is the annual return rate, raised to the power of T, which represents time. Using this formula, imagine you invest 1 million naira at 15% annual return rate. In the first year, you have 1,150,000 naira. In the second year, you are not just making 15% on your original 1 million naira. You are making it on the new 1.15 million naira, which will now be 1,322,500 naira. In the 10th year, without adding another kobo, that 1 million naira has grown to over 4 million naira. That is your money working double shifts while you are sleeping. I have to tell you this truth. Investing is not a bed of roses. It comes with risk, which means that the market can fluctuate, it can go up and it can go down. It doesn't stay steady at all times. So if anyone tells you an investment is 100% safe with 50% returns monthly, do not invest. That's a red flag. However, smart investors don't avoid risk, they manage it. So, how do they manage these risks and uncertainties? 1. Through diversification. It simply means don't put all your eggs in one basket. That is, all your money should not go into one single asset. If you have some money in stocks, put some in a dollar fund and maybe a little in a high-yield savings account for emergency. That way, part of your investment is safe in case one fails. 2. Through the long-term game. Don't check your portfolio every 5 minutes like a WhatsApp notification. Investing is a marathon, not a 100 meters dash. This means that assets gradually appreciate or grow with time, and as it grows, it compounds, so you need to be patient. It's important to know this and keep it in mind. Before you jump into the deep end, remember this: you cannot invest what you haven't saved. Saving is your defense. It protects you from the pressure of urgency. While investing, on the other hand, is your offense. It's how you push and forge forward to the goal and win the wealth game. So here's your homework for today. Look at your bank statement. Look at that balance sitting there doing nothing. Is it working for you, or are you the only one doing the work of wealth building? Consider putting a percentage of that balance to work by investing it. If you are ready to stop just surviving and start building, hit that subscribe button. Also like and share this video. I will be dropping some definitions of financial terms in the comment section in order to help you understand better. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly which assets are performing best in this current economy. Don't just work for money. Build a system that makes money work for you. I'll see you in the next one.